Okay, guys, here's our final rendering for the fireplace wall. Stain grade alder wood top. The floating shelves are stain grade, and this top is stain grade. Our vertical shiplap pieces, paint grade, 6 inches wide, plus or minus an eighth of an inch, just depending on the width of the wall is determining the overall width, but these pencil out to be about a 6 and a 16th, so probably close enough. And of course, this is to size and scale. So with the brick hearth, the brick top, which protrudes out the sides an inch, and then we have the build out for the fireplace. This is going to be the cleanest way to install these cabinets. The left side or the exposed sides of these two cabinets almost come in contact with the brick, and we'll put a piece inside to cover up the hole here to enclose that. So from the sheetrock fireplace wall that steps out, we'll have a open space here, but the shiplap paneling can come down and sit on top of the brick. I know this isn't the style light that's in the catalog that I have, closest light, and we need to get that electrical pulled out prior to the shiplap paneling going in, and then the floating shelves, of course, will sit on top of the paneling. As far as the crown molding, this shiplap paneling is going to be, this come out to about a ½ inch thick. It might be best just to leave that crown and we butt up right underneath of it. And then of course that decorative trim piece along the wall on here would be removed, and it would terminate into the face of this. The floating shelves, this top floating shelf, these two are the same height, 85 inches off the floor. And this floating shelf is 60 inches off the floor. These base cabinets are, let's see, they are, the final height of those, 25 inches. From the floor to the top of the wood top will be 25 inches. Floating shelves are 9 inches deep, terminate into the sides of the wall, and they are exposed or open here. This TV represented here is 56 inches wide and 31 tall. We want to confirm that that size and the height of this works. Okay, let me know if this looks good to you. I need to make any changes. Okay, thanks guys.